Have you ever heard someone say, "I'm not good at small talk"? What does that mean? Listen to these examples and try to guess what small talk means. We made small talk about the weather while waiting for the bus. I'm not great at small talk. I prefer deep conversations. At the party, he kept the small talk going to avoid awkward silence. Have an idea about the meaning yet? Let's look at a picture for another clue. What do you think they're talking about? Maybe the weather? Weekend plans? This type of conversation has a special name in English. Small talk is casual conversation about everyday topics. It's often used to be polite or to avoid silence in social situations. Now for a quick quiz. Which of these is an example of small talk? A. A deep discussion about philosophy. B. Asking your coworker if they watched the game last night. C. A job interview about your career goals. B is the correct answer. Asking about a game or the weather is small talk. Okay, good job. Next, let's unscramble the words containing the idiom. Can you put the words in the correct order? Remember, you can pause the video if you need more time. The answer is, she made small talk with her boss. For the final task, change this sentence using the idiom small talk. The correct answer is, we made small talk about the weather. Now it's your turn. Can you write your own sentence using small talk? Post your example in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel to learn more English idioms.